All right, guys, welcome to the Wednesday directions video. Pretty simple day today. Yesterday, everyone in the entire grade, both hours, fourth hour, fifth hour, for me at least, took the ancient Greece quiz. Again, it was due at 3 p.m. Some people did not take it. That's their bad. If you take it now, now I gotta deduct your score. So the highest score you can get now is 70%. All right. And that's for anybody who took the test after 3 p.m. yesterday. That's basically it. Today, everyone's just working on missing work because missing work is due tonight at midnight. So if you turn anything at 12:01, guess what? It's not going to count because you've had, I don't know, 3 months to turn it in. So sometimes you got to hit deadlines, and this deadline wasn't even a hard one. So getting missing work in today. Obviously, some people are taking the quiz today that will be counted fully because they've reached out to me and they're on vacation or something like that. So keep that in mind. If you haven't contacted me for any reason, it's going to be counted as 70%. If you have contacted me and actually communicated and did your job, it'll be counted fully. That's basically it, guys. Get your missing work done so you can get a good score here in this grade, and then that's it. The quiz was basically the last assignment we're working on this unit. So, all right. Talk to you guys later.